This pioneer VTOL was the Hawker P.1127. Nothing like it had ever been seen before. For the first time ever, here was an aircraft powered by a single jet engine, which could rise off the ground vertically with its fuselage in the normal horizontal attitude and accelerate forwards under perfect control to jet fighter speeds. This prototype was a later P.1127 called a Kestrel, first flown in March 1964. This was 3.5 years after the first tentative tethered hover of the first P.1127. With its unusual landing gear retracted, the Kestrel could do most of the things a 1950s jet fighter could do. It could also slow to a standstill, hover in mid-air if necessary, and finally make a feather-light vertical landing. A fast pass at the Farnborough Air Show by 2 Kestrels and a Hunter served to show that the little Kestrel, despite all the penalties of being able to hover, could beat the conventional Hunter in speed, range, and rate of climb. The key to all this was the amazing Pegasus engine, pioneered by Bristol Siddeley, which became part of Rolls-Royce in 1966. For the first time, an otherwise normal turbofan engine had 4 nozzles. There was one on each side at the front for the air from the fan, and one on each side to the rear for the hot gases from the jet. The nozzles are not actually part of the engine, but part of the aircraft. This leaves the basic engine extremely compact. Though very powerful, generating a thrust of about 21,500 pounds, it is only about 8 feet long.